Did you know one of history's most brutal family murders happened at what was supposed to be a peace dinner? In 211 AD, the Roman Empire was being torn apart. Two brothers, Emperor Caracalla and his younger brother Geta, were fighting a civil war for control. Their desperate mother, Julia Domna, arranged a family dinner. She begged her sons to make peace and stop destroying the empire their father had left them. But Caracalla had other plans. As the family sat down to eat, Caracalla suddenly pulled out a dagger. He lunged at Geta and stabbed him to death right in their mother's arms. She screamed and begged for mercy, but watched helplessly as her youngest son bled out. The horror didn't end there. Caracalla ordered 20,000 of Geta's supporters executed. He had Geta's name chiseled off every monument in the empire. Speaking Geta's name became illegal. Their mother was so traumatized she starved herself to death. And Caracalla's paranoid reign of terror? It led to his own assassination. Just 6 years later, sometimes the worst enemies are family.